Peles was tired of his everyday walks and wanderings even if he had nothing to eat. This is why he thought of exerting himself and using his strength and brawn. He passed by the farm of Hugo the ant, and he was impressed by the health of the plants.
Your plants are so healthy,
He praised Hugo.
What is your secret? I have no secrets,
Said Hugo.
except for industry, patience, and a little hard work. Is that all?
Asked Peles, and he asked for some tomato seeds to try out gardening. It was Sunday then, but the new farmer did not laze around. He busied himself with planting. That night, Peles could not sleep as he counted growing tomatoes. Monday. Early in the morning, he woke and visited his patch of tomatoes. But what a heartbreak! In the soft ground, not one seed had sprouted. Close to tears, Peles talked to Hugo. But Hugo only laughed and said,
Don't be impatient. Indeed, gardening is not easy. A little more watering and they will surely sprout.
Close to tears means about to cry. Why do you think Peles is close to tears? Tuesday. After watering, Peles looked after the patch of tomatoes all day. In the evening, he even lit candles so the plants would not be afraid of the dark. Wednesday. After sprinkling fertilizer, Peles invited his frog friends. And though it was raining, they sang all day so the plants would grow. Fertilizers are something that you put to the plants to help them grow. Why do you think Peles sprinkled fertilizers? Thursday. After pulling out weeds, Peles brought a lot of books. And he read stories and poems all day so the plants would not feel lonely. Friday. After watering and weeding, Peles spent all day reciting, dancing, and singing. He even placed a makeshift roof so the plants would not feel too hot. Makeshift means temporary. In Filipino, it means pansamantalang gamit. Why did Peles put a makeshift roof to his plants? Saturday. Peles rejoiced when he saw sprouting tomatoes. After a few days, Peles' tomatoes grew and bore fruit.
Hey, your tomatoes are so healthy.
Hugo praised Peles upon his visit.
Yes, they are.
Answered Peles, who was wrapped in a blanket.
But I am sick and coughing. That's only at the start.
Hugo said, and Peles was left coughing. But he felt pleased as he looked over his patch of ripening tomatoes.
There are 3 voices in the story Peles Tomatoes. Hugo, Peles, and the narrator, who is not a character in this story, but the one who tells what is happening in the story. Can you identify their voices? Listen carefully and tell us who's speaking. Your plants are so healthy. What is your secret? I have no secrets, except for industry, patience, and a little hard work.
That night, Peles could not sleep as he counted growing tomatoes.
How about these lines? Hey, your tomatoes are so healthy. Yes, they are. But I am sick and coughing.
Peles was left coughing, but he felt pleased as he looked over his patch of ripening tomatoes.
They are the voices in the story, the characters, and the narrator. See you around!
Oh, hey there, how are you? Today, we are going to be acting out a story. It's a story about a volcano and a mountain. This will be our stage. Are you ready, guys?
Ready!
Our story is about a proud volcano who thinks he's the most powerful landform.
Can I be the volcano?
Sure, Ogot, you can be the volcano, but who will be the mountain?
Me!
Okay, Kathy, you can be the mountain.
Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, well, I'll just be your audience.
But Marge, of course you'll still be part of the story.
There are only two characters in the story, the mountain and the volcano. Kathy and Ogot have already taken those roles.
Yes, Marge, but there's still one important role left in the story.
I don't think so, Joji. I know the story, and I'm sure that there are only two characters there.
Yes, Marge, there are only two characters, but what about the one who tells the story? Once there was a proud volcano who thinks he's the most powerful landform.
Right, the storyteller.
Or what we call the narrator.
Can I be the narrator? Sure, Marge. Yeah, you'll be a good narrator.
You heard your friends.
Yes, thank you, guys. But how about you, Joji?
Me? Well, I'll be your director.
Now our cast is complete. Let's start rehearsing.
Let's go!
Once there was Volcano, who saw himself as the most powerful landform. He compared himself to a plane. I am the perfect landform, unlike a plane that's flat and too plain. He also compared himself to a hill. I am better than a hill. It's cute, but it's too small. Then came Mountain. Don't be like that, Volcano. Every landform has their good qualities. Nah, I am the best among the rest. I have the perfect shape. Look! You look great, but you don't need to look down on other landforms. You're just jealous because you're not as strong as I am. I am the strongest. I am so strong that I can erupt. What do you think will happen to Volcano? Stay tuned.
Yoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Hey, yo! What's up? It's James Les Reed here, and this is V. V for victory! Yeah! Yes! I'm talking about the letter V with the sound V. V. Do you know how to write the letter V? It's simple. For the big letter V, you have to start at the top, then make a slanting line going down, and another slanting line going up. For the small letter V, make a slanting line going down, and another slanting line going up. Very good! V is for vase, violin, volcano. You can also hear it in words like glove, dove, and lava. And of course, we can hear it at the beginning of victory! Yeah! V, 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 V. What? Where did I win? Well, I won in a game where you have to listen to the letter V. You want to win too? Then just answer these. Which of these have the letter V? Vegetables or fruits? Vegetables. Eagle or vulture? Vulture. How about here? Car, van, bus. Correct! Van. We can hear it at the beginning. The van. 7, 8, 9. Seven has the V sound. Doctor, vet, nurse. Nurse? I don't hear the letter V in nurse. Try again. Correct! The V sound is in vet. How about here? Which has the V sound? Avocado has the V sound. Green, red, violet. Are you sure it's in green? I don't think so. Try again. It's in violet. Violet. Which has the V sound? Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao? The sound of the letter V is in Visayas. Congratulations! Here's your trophy, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye!
Oh no! What happened to my body form? That's because of your eruption. It is so powerful that it destroyed your perfect form. No! All the volcano could do is watch his cone-shaped body lose its form. And from then on, he never looked down on the other landforms. The end.
And cut! Good job!
That was fun. Yeah, next time, maybe we could switch roles. I want to be the narrator next time. Joji, are narrators always not seen in the stories?
Well, no. Some stories have characters that act as the narrator, and many stories have the main character doing the narration.
Cool! Let's do that next time.
Yes! More stories!
More stories! More stories means more lessons to learn.
That is true. We have to learn that it is not good to compare ourselves to others.
Everyone is unique and we need to appreciate each other.
Well, I appreciate that you learned a lot today. What about you? What did you learn today? That's great! Well, thank you so much for being with us today. We'll see you again next time, and I hope you had a great time because my room is your room. Goodbye!
Goodbye!